Surah 75, Al-Qiyamah, the Resurrection. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate. Nay, I swear by the day of resurrection. And nay, I swear by the self-reproaching soul. Does man imagine that we will not be able to bring his bones together again? Yes, indeed, we have the power to remold even his fingertips. But man desires to persist in his evil ways. He asks, when will the day of resurrection be? When the sight is dazed, and the moon is eclipsed, and the sun and the moon are joined together. On that day will man say, whither the refuge? No, there is no refuge. With your Lord alone will be the retreat that day. On that day will man be apprised of his deeds, both the earlier and the later. But lo, man is well aware of himself, even though he might make up excuses. O Prophet, do not stir your tongue hastily to commit the revelation to memory. Surely, it is for us to have you commit it to memory and to recite it. And so, when we recite it, follow its recitation attentively. Then it will be for us to explain it. Nay, the truth is that you love ardently the good of this world that can be obtained hastily, and are oblivious of the hereafter. Some faces on that day will be fresh and resplendent, and will be looking towards their Lord. And some faces on that day will be gloomy, believing that a crushing calamity is about to strike them. Nay, when a man's soul reaches up to the throat, and it is said, is there any enchanter who can step forward and help by his chanting? And he realizes that the hour of parting is come, and kaf is intertwined with kaf. On that day, you will be driven to your Lord. But he did not verify the truth, nor did he observe prayer. On the contrary, he gave the lie to the truth and turned his back upon it. Then he went back to his kinsfolk elated with pride. This attitude is worthy of you, altogether worthy. Again, it is worthy of you, altogether worthy. Does man think that he will be left alone, unquestioned? Was he not a drop of ejaculated semen? Then he became a clot, and then Allah made it into a living body and proportioned its parts. And then he made of him a pair, male and female. Does he then not have the power to bring back the dead to life?